And I think it's fair to say that on any dimension, the data pipeline market continues to change quite a bit because all of the new exciting initiatives, whether it's cloud migration, cloud modernization, data modernization, advanced analytics, generative AI, depend in some fashion on data pipelines. So just looking at these five dimensions, on the adopter side, you have, in a sense, two notable camps. The first is the cloud native startups. Now, I'm using the term startups loosely because there are companies that were born in 2015 or later that are now massive, hyperscale. But they're all cloud because they were born in an era in which that was an option. The rest of the camp, the Fortune 2000 or Global 5000, depending on how you look at it, are living in more of a hybrid and multi-cloud world. They are moving what they can to the cloud. They're moving what they can to a second cloud in order to optimize certain workloads, take advantage of certain cloud provider tools, and so forth. The priorities include migrating to the cloud, democratizing data access, embracing advanced analytics. Now, users are, there are a number of different users here, and one of the primary themes is collaboration among these personas. And so data engineers have been around for a long time, and they continue to have a deepening of their role. They continue to have more and more demands put on them by the business and on the IT side. Now you've got analytics engineers as well that kind of exist as a layer between the analysts and the data engineers, data analysts and data scientists as well. Some of the primary use cases here are continuing to scale out adoption of business intelligence. We find that BI tool adoption is relatively flat, but consumption of the output of BI tools continues to widen. There is an acceleration of adoption of machine learning. We all know that there are these rich repositories, these rich libraries with algorithms that you can train into a viable model for your enterprise. And there are just so many ways in which ML can improve the efficiency and the effectiveness of the way you do business. And as well, there's an integration of analytics and operational applications. As a case in point, so many of the machine learning use cases that are compelling are of a real-time nature. You want to take immediate action based on the outputs. On the tool side, data engineers continue to increase the number of tools they have, and they're also experimenting with generative AI. We had some pretty interesting findings in some informal LinkedIn polls. Most data engineers expect to increase the number of tools they use to manage their data pipelines in 2023 compared to 2022, despite the opportunity for tool consolidation. And a significant chunk of them already are experimenting with ChatGPT or other types of generative AI to improve productivity. So on every dimension, the data pipeline market continues to change.